Good morning, class. Class, what can you see on this picture below? I want you to answer the question properly. Raise your hand if you know the answer. What is the most important cause of weathering? What are the factors that influence weathering? Now, class, listen carefully to the videos about weathering. You can click the link below. Discussion. Surface processes, weathering, erosion, and deposition. Now that you know how rocks are formed, you will find out how they are broken down. Weathering. The physical and chemical breakdown of rocks at or near the surface. Types of weathering. Physical weathering. The mechanical or physical breakdown of rock into smaller pieces, sediments without a change in the mineral's chemical composition. Frost action. Water freezes in a rock of the rock surface, expanding, expanding the rock. Alternate freezing and thawing form potholes and frost heave. Plants and animals. Plants' roots force their way into cracks. Animals uncover rock and expose it to the elements. Explosion dome. Layer of rock peel off the main body of the rock. Temperature changes. Alternating hot and cold temperatures weaken the rock as it expands and contracts. Abrasion. Pieces of rock collide with each other due to transportation by wind, ice, water, and gravity. Chemical weathering. The process by which chemicals break down rock through a change in the mineral's compositions happens fastest in a hot, moist climate. Oxidation occurs when oxygen from the air combines with iron-rich minerals of the rock. Oxidation is equals to rust. Carbonation occurs when water combines with carbon dioxide in the air to form carbonic acid. Carbonic acid easily dissolves rocks like limestone and marble. Hydrolysis. Water combines with minerals such as mica and feldspar found in granite to form clay. The rock weakens and crumbles apart. Factors affecting the rate of weathering. Exposure. Rate and type of weathering are dependent on exposure to air, water, and living things. The greater amount of rock exposed, the greater the weathering. This is a direct relationship. Particle size. An increases in surface area increases the rate of weathering. Example, granulate sugar dissolves faster than a cube of sugar. More surfaces are exposed when cut. Mineral composition. Rocks made of harder minerals weather slower than rocks made of softer minerals. Which rock is most resistant to weathering? Climate. Physical and chemical weathering are affected by climate. In a cold and moist climates, physical weathering is dominant. In a hot and moist climates, chemical weathering is dominant. In both cases, water is the major ingredient that promotes weathering. Time. As time goes on, more weathering occurs. Humans. Excavation of land, mining, buildings, etc. Soil formation. End product of weathering and biologic activity. Soil layers. O. Horizon humus. A. Horizon topsoil. E. Horizon elevation layer, B. Horizon subsoil, C. Horizon regolith, R. Horizon bedrock. Factors affecting soil formation. Parent material or bedrock. Residual soil. Soil is formed from the parent material and it is of the same composition. Transported soil. Parent material has been carried from elsewhere and deposited. Most NYS soil was transported from glaciers. Climate. Arid climates have the thin soil, high in mineral content, low in organic matter. Humid climates have thick soils, high in organic matter, low in mineral content. Organisms. Dead and decayed plants and animals add nutrients, forming topsoils. Time. The longer the weathering, the deeper the soil. Did you understand our topic for today, class? Do you have any question? If that's the case, I think you are ready for now some questions. So class, are you ready? Why is water considered the most important causes of weathering? How is mechanical weathering different from chemical weathering? What causes acid rain? Submitted by Ronaldin Hakalan, BEd 2, submitted to Sir Ronnie Lidem. Thank you for listening and God bless us.